Today I made a Chinese pie. Add salt to squeeze out the water from zucchini. Add fried shredded carrots, shredded fungus and chopped eggs. Vermicelli, dried shrimps, salt, chicken essence, pepper, oyster sauce, sesame oil. Stir evenly. This stuffing is ready. I bought a pancake from the supermarket. Put the prepared stuffing. Then wrap it into the shape of a bun according to your own habits. Preheat the electric pan over high and low heat. No need to brush with oil, put the pancake and cover it. No need to turn it over, just cook until both sides are golden brown. Fry until golden brown on both sides.